10 books that teach you how to make money easy. You have great dreams and great goals. You want to become a thriving entrepreneur or business boss and join the Millionaire Club. But how do you do that? The best guidance anyone can give you is to feed your mind by reading. You need to formulate a successful attitude and know how to make the right product for the right market. If you are serious about becoming a millionaire, you need to be wise about financing your money and making good financial decisions. You need to know how to achieve power and stay on the rocky shore of the business world. In this video, we will tell you about 10 books that teach you how to make money easy. The video is amazing, so stay till the end. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get started. Number 10. The Millionaire Next Door. This exemplary which was first distributed in 1996 and composed by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, offers top-to-bottom information from the discoveries of the creators of how America's moguls became wealthy in 7 key stages. One of the great focuses examined was the basic and vital technique for spending short of what you procure. By doing this, you could keep away from driving purchasing and expanding your ventures. Best quote: individuals we characterize as rich enjoy more claiming a lot of important belongings than in displaying a way of life of maximum usage. Number 9. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert T. Kiyosaki's book stays dazzling consistently and each second. It's a must pursue if you have any desire to begin creating your way to financial momentum while you're as yet youthful. In this book, Kiyosaki had the option to feature the distinctive variable or propensities for his dad, who was an exceptionally taught yet unfortunate man, and his dad, who left early yet turned into a multi-tycoon. The center follows the supposed unique quadrants of various kinds of individuals in the public arena and how you can move gradually up to the investor quadrant, which will make you very rich. Best quote: the way to independence from the rat race and extraordinary abundance is one's capacity or expertise to change over pay into detached as well as portfolio pay. In school, we learn that mistakes are bad and we are punished for making them. However, if you look at how people are designed to learn, we learn by making mistakes. We learn to walk by falling. If we never fall, we'll never be able to walk. Number 8. What the Rich Think. Steve Siebold, creator of Rich People's Thought Process, endured 30 years meeting 1,000 moguls and tycoons to figure out what separates them from the typical individual. In the book, Siebold offers substantial activity moves toward following an aggressive individual and creating their financial stability. Best quote: the rich comprehend cash streams from thoughts, and since thoughts are boundless, cash is boundless. Before success comes to a man's life, he is sure to face temporary setbacks and perhaps some failures. When failure overcomes a man, the simplest and most logical thing to do is to quit smoking. That's exactly what most men do. 500 of the most successful men this country has ever known author whose greatest success was just one step beyond the point at which they failed. Number 7. Think and Grow Rich. Written in the period of the Great Depression, the writer and previous consultant to President Franklin Roosevelt taught with more than 500 fruitful individuals to find the keys to favorable luck. A work of art and smash hit book, it examines how you ought to begin arranging by setting your point and what the amount you truly need to procure. Everything begins from the force of your viewpoints and afterward, activity. Best quote: assuming you genuinely want cash so definitely that your longing is a fixation, you will have no trouble in persuading yourself that you will procure it. The objective is to need cash and to have it. You persuade yourself that you can have it. Number 6. You're too rich. Live rich even if you're not. Working-class basic income writer Farnoosh Torabi discusses how to get a side cash in certain parts of your life. The book is incredibly perused and offers extraordinary guidance for youngsters. In an entertaining, clever, and compact way, he clears up for individuals how to deal with their funds en route to abundance appropriately. Best quote: "After a major advancement, get your regulars for supper for $350. Do you want a Benz more than anything else in the world? You can do it, but it might not be time to share your summer beach house with your friends." Finally, a sensible, realistic financial book for those who love Starbucks mocha lattes and Razer phones, but don't want to go into debt with Jimmy Choo shoes or Bose headphones. Farnoosh Torabi, a 20-year-old financial journalist, says, "You can satisfy your taste buds and find financial happiness. The key is to prioritize your spending based on what you want most. In other words, spend while you can and save on other things. From smart spending, yes, you can even make and eat your own organic yogurt, to online banking, you can live the good life without compromising your financial security. Wearing Gucci and your gadgets sends you power." Number 5. The Richest Man in Babylon. Composed by George S. Clason, this book uncovers the standards and privileged insights that will lead you to privately invested money. As perhaps of the most persuasive work on investment funds, monetary preparation, and privately invested money, Babylon's Richest presents answers for monetary issues that will lead you to abundance. Mysteries like setting aside cash, procuring more by effective financial planning, and continuously searching for a method for adding esteem have made this book a well-known smash hit. Best quote: "Financial plan your costs so you have coins to pay for your necessities, to pay for your joys, and to fulfill your advantageous longings without spending more than 9% of your pay." Number 4. The Science of Wealth Frugal Book. Wallace Waddle gives a scholarly structure to creating individual financial well-being through sure reasoning. The book discusses how to make an abundance by preparing your brain to draw in riches. For instance, assuming you accept that cash is awful, you won't get rich. Best quote: "No man can arrive at the most elevated conceivable degree of ability for soul improvement except if he has a large chunk of change." Number 3. Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. Turning into a program tycoon is cool, right? While heeding the guidance in his book won't make you a short-term mogul, it will assist you with getting more cash. David Bach's well-known book turns the absolute most normal monetary ideas you've at any point pursued on its head to show how to create financial stability without financial plan, lots of cash, solid assurance, more elevated level of monetary education. That is correct. Through this instructive text, the normal individual can learn simple, reasonable ways of acquiring more abundance for your family's future. In any case, one of the most outstanding pieces of this book is that written in a manner that makes monetary ideas straightforward in any event for fledglings. On the off chance that you are new to monetary instruction, Automatic Millionaire is an extraordinary spot to begin learning. Best quotes: "Keep in mind, undiscovered motivation is simply fun. To come by new outcomes, you want to make new moves." Many people dive into a wide range of insight concerning what they need to achieve, what venture they ought to purchase, and where they need to be without first ensuring they know where they stand now. The main monetary mix-up isn't to have your funds unprogrammed. Of the off chance that you're in an opening, quit digging. My grandma Rose Bach used to tell me, "David, whenever troubles arise, the intents have cash." Number 2. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramid Sethi. A few of us need a little hand-holding about the individual budgets. Whether you're new to monetary administration or just threatened by studying monetary preparation, you may be reluctant to move toward bringing in more cash. Assuming you're in that boat, I Will Teach You to Be Rich is the ideal book for you. This simple-to-pursue book gives you a 6-week program to assist you with getting your funds ready. Every part shows you essential monetary ideas, complete with activity moves toward complete after every example. After pursuing the section, you will be approached to finish an exercise manual to direct you in the correct course. Every part of I Will Teach You to Be Rich will help you while heading into independence from the rat race. The book will help you dispose of your obligations, open exorbitant premium financial balances, mechanize your funds, save many dollars consistently, gain proficiency with a straightforward speculation system, save for huge buys like another house or vehicle, receive a pay increase with content to help you en route. The convincing text and accommodating exoration found in Ramit Sethi's book makes certain to set you on the right monetary way. Also, that implies you can bring in more cash after some time. Best quotes. Beginning is a higher priority than investing a ton of energy investigating. There is a cutoff to the amount you can take, yet there's no restriction to the amount you can procure. Spend large on the things you love and cut mercilessly on the things you don't have. Individuals like to quarrel about little focuses, halfway because they feel it liberates them from really doing anything. Moguls contribute a normal of 20% of their family pay every year. Number 1. The Millionaire Fast Lane. A great many people never arrive at tycoon status because ordinary ways to abundance don't work. If you feel like you're fooling around in a task you disdain, have a fantasy about building your own business, or need to be a tycoon yet don't have the foggiest idea where to begin, the Millionaire Fast Lane is for you. Perhaps the most serious issue in making abundance is the powerlessness to prepare. Regardless of whether you procure noteworthy pay, assuming that you will continue to spend on tips like costly meals and extravagant vehicles, you will be bankrupt. The customary way to abundance depends on trying sincerely when you are youthful with the goal that you have sufficient cash to put something aside for relaxation and diversion in your advanced age. That will be a huge delay. Imagine a scenario that which you can make an item or business that could support itself. Then you can procure a pay in any event when you're not working. Best quote. Guide me, a 22-year-old who fetched rich putting resources into common assets. Offer me an individual who made millions every 3 years by maximizing his 401k. Offer me a person in his 21s who gets coupons for coupons. Where could these individuals be? They didn't actually. So there you have it, 10 books that can spell your way to riches. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back with another video soon.